But if I'm an insurance adjuster, I'm probably working in the world of Xactimate.
Correct.
So this is interesting, and I guess I could do measurements here. I see a little ruler in the bottom left, so I could take measurements in this entire space. But can you help me get to Xactimate?
Sure. So I'll walk you through the process. What one would do if one wants to get from on-site to Xactimate is you would go out on-site with a camera, usually this one, and you would capture data. If you look over here, everywhere you see a dot, that represents a scan position where the camera was placed and a button was pushed. And then what you would do is you would take that data and you would send it in for publishing to be turned into a Radix, which is what you see here. And when you've done that, you can then, with access to this tour, click on the little ruler button, just as you had said, and then measure anything you want on the floor plan. So I hope you guys can see this. I'm just clicking and dragging and drawing a line. So that's just one form of measurement. There are others, but the simplest form is right here. And then what I can do from here is I can take that thing you see right there on screen and I can download it as a JPEG. So here's the magic of Radix, and it's part of the value proposition. So Radix is fast. You can go out and scan a property like this in minutes. Like, it doesn't take very long to shoot a few scans. Most claims, from my understanding, are relatively small. They're like a few rooms and an entryway or a hallway or something like that. So you can go out and shoot that. You can then take that data, you can turn it into this, what you see on screen right here. You can measure on it and then save it out as a JPEG. So what Xactimate allows you to do is pull any JPEG you want into the software and then draw on it. So what you're really doing is you're drawing a very small floor plan, essentially. And then I'm in all likelihood, people who are using Xactimate are already familiar, but if anyone's listening and they don't know how Xactimate works, basically Xactimate is software for estimating. And when you draw on it and create a floor plan, or a sketch is what they call it, it's going to allow you to estimate the cost of materials. Yep.
I'm sorry, Chris.